All spare parts for main body. Back head. Put gas valve into back head. When use hammer, back head need put nitrogen gas. Assemble front head. Put inside and outside bush. Well. Assemble cylinder. Put into control valve. Piston bush. Put the piston into cylinder. Cylinder is okay. Put the cylinder and front head together. Assemble back head. Through bolt, also called long bolt. Total 4 pieces in one hammer. Fasten bolt one by one. Fasten each nut one by one. Chisel. Finished.